What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video I wanted to go over 3 effective ways of marketing out for free or doing free advertising. So when I say that, I mean not actually having to spend money on ads and not paying for marketing, because I know a lot of people, when they first get into windshield repair, they don't really want to spend money on ads. For one, because they just don't know if it's going to work, and they aren't sure, and they're kind of iffy about spending money to actually get clients. So a less risky way, I would say, is actually just doing free marketing. And a lot of people don't really know what to do, because windshield repair, isn't the biggest industry out there, so they're not really sure how to market this out. So I wanted to give you guys some tips on what to do for free. So the first one is actually going to Facebook groups and letting them know what you do. So basically what I did was I actually went to Facebook groups. I went to Facebook groups that were in my area. So for example, I'm in a city that's North County of the city. So I went to a North County Facebook group. There's an actual big city, and then there's a north, south, east, west, obviously. So I actually went to the North County Facebook group for my specific area, and just made a post in there and pretty much let them know what I do. You have to kind of be careful with the rules and the regulations of these Facebook groups, because the admin of the Facebook groups don't really like you to, promote yourself and promote your business, which is silly in my opinion, but they don't like it. They try to keep the spammers away and whatnot. So try not to make it look so salesy. Kind of just, put yourself in there and show that you want to help. You're actually in the area and you want to actually help people. So I would post a before and after photo of some of the jobs that I've done. So I'll post a picture of the chip, what it looked like before, and then what it looked like after I worked on it. It gives you a side-by-side comparison of kind of what I do. I'll also throw in like a logo in there, like my business logo, just to show that I'm professional and I kind of, I know what I'm doing and I'm an actual business that can help. And then I'll just put a little description in there, or a little post paragraph of pretty much just saying what I do, how I can, help that customer save money. And if somebody has one of these rock chips, then I can definitely help them out and make sure that I am saving them money. Really, you got to kind of word it however you're going to want to do it. But basically, for the most part, you just kind of want to put in there, hey, I do mobile rock chip repair. If you have one of these chips, you definitely want to make sure that it doesn't spread out and get it repaired before it does spread out, because if it were to spread out, you're probably going to have to buy a new windshield, which can be pretty pricey. So, put in there, message me, let me know if you have a rock chip, and we can get it taken care of for you. So that's one good way to do it. Another really good way is actually going to the local small dealerships around your area and asking them if they have a rock chip guy. So this was one of my favorite ways, because every time I would get an account with a dealership, I would get consistent work from them, because every time they would get a new car or a used car in and it had a rock chip on it, they would call me up. I would repair it. I would repair it before it went onto the lot, so when they sold the car, it didn't have, a nice rock chip on the windshield. So customers or potential customers that wanted to buy that car didn't see that, and it's obviously more safe to make sure that rock chip is repaired. So again, going to dealerships, go to all the dealerships in your area or in your town. Go talk to either the boss or the manager. Introduce yourself. Let them know what you do. Say, hi, my name is Chris. I do rock chip repair. I was wondering if you guys have a guy that actually does it. Depending on what they could say, no, we actually don't. We need one. There you go. Let them know your price. Or they could say, yeah, actually we do. We have a guy that does it. If they were to tell me that, I ask them, okay, how much does he charge, if you don't mind me asking? And they usually say, a number. He charges $60 per car. I say, okay, so if I were to charge $50 per car, would you consider working with me? And they say, oh, yeah, probably, maybe. Usually, dealerships want to save money. So what I tell them is, okay, let me do a rock chip for you for free, show you my quality, show you my work, and if you want to work with me, then yeah, we can set something up. And usually they have no problem doing that if you offer to save them money. I usually just go down about $10 from what the previous guy would charge. So if he's charging $60, I would say I'll charge $50 to do these. I'd like to be a little bit, competitive with them. Obviously, if they're charging, $10 per chip, I'm not going to be like, okay, I'll do them for $5, because then it's not worth, your time and your effort. So definitely, try to see what they're charging first, see what the other person's charging that dealership first. whatever number that is. You can decide if you want to, bring it down a little bit or maybe even match it. Just to show them your work, show them your quality. If you're better than the previous guy, and they're probably going to want to work with you. So, let them know. See what you want to charge, and see what they'll actually offer to pay you. So, yeah, pretty much once you do that, do a free chip for them. Just show them your quality, show them how good you are, and usually they're going to want to work with you. Now, again, that's one of my favorite ways, because once you get a dealership and once you get an account with the dealership, they're going to continually call you and let you know that they have, we just went to the auction. That's what they do. They go to auctions or just get new used cars in. We just got a couple cars. They have a couple rock chips. Can you come on over? Boom, right there. That's it's a good little payment for your day. And usually they're kind of unexpected. So once you get a few dealerships and a few accounts, you'll have consistent work to come in, and these dealerships are going to call you, probably weekly, most likely bi-weekly, just depending on how many cars they bring in and out, and they're going to call you quite often. So if you get a few accounts, you can set yourself up pretty good for those dealerships. And another really good one is actually marketing out to your immediate audience. So really, it could be there could be various different ways to market out to them, whether with social media, so like Instagram, Facebook, making sure that you actually have a Instagram page and a Facebook page for your business. That way you can get your immediate audience to follow you and see what you're doing. So I like to, market out to them. So I'll do it through Facebook, through Instagram, through Snapchat, through TikTok, through whoever's on social media and kind of just on the internet in general in your area, you kind of want to be on. So really just marketing out to your immediate audience and letting them know what you do. This one is, again, one of my favorite ones, because I get a lot of people that will follow me because of what I do. So again, you probably have a lot of family and friends that are going to get rock chips, and they're going to want to support you. So definitely you want to market out to them and let them know what you do. Make sure that they know what you do and that you are actually starting a business, or you started a business doing rock chip repair. So they will actually, want to support you and actually see that you do it. And you never know, one of these days they're going to need your help. I have a lot of friends that, didn't need my help when I first started my windshield repair business, but now that they know that I do this, once they get one, they will actually let me know. And I've had a lot of friends that have done that. They will see my business, and then just one day they were driving down the road, go up the mountain or something, and get a rock chip, and now they know someone that actually repairs them, so they'll definitely want to support me when they have to. Again, if you have good people around you, they're going to want to support you. This is obviously a business that you're fixing a problem that they might have, so they're not going to call you if they don't have a rock chip, but if they do, if they know somebody that does, they will let you know, and you'll be that go-to guy. So definitely want to make your presence known and just market out to your immediate audience. Let people know that you are doing windshield repair, you're doing rock chip repair, and eventually they're going to need you. So again, marketing out to people that you know and your immediate audience is a really good way to get clients. So that's 3 really effective ways and easy ways to get free clients, free marketing, free advertising. And I hope that helped. I hoped you got a little bit better understanding of how to get clients with your windshield repair business. Again, go into Facebook groups, go to dealerships, talk to dealerships, let them know what you do, and just, promote to your immediate audience. Promote to people that are already following you. Promote to the people that know you. Promote to your family. Eventually, they're going to let their friends know. They're going to let their family know. Everybody, it's kind of like just a domino effect. People are going to, know what you do and understand who you are and the quality of work that you do. Once you put that out there, people are going to see it, and they're going to want to work with you when they have to. So hopefully that helped. That's all I got for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.